Hello my crafty friends, this is Sheree. How you doing today? Welcome to my channel. I'm here to announce a new Christmas crafty YouTube hop between three of us YouTube crafty friends, and hopefully you will join along. But let me tell you who they are. Besides myself, it's going to be Susan at Susan Hiles Art and Helen of Moss Cottage. So yes, you know, they both have YouTube channels. Hopefully you're already subscribed to them, but if you aren't, I will have their links below and you can go ahead and subscribe to their channel so that when they post a video for this Christmas YouTube hop, you will already be subscribed and get notifications of their videos. But yes, this is going to be for the next, after today, next 4 Fridays, and it's all going to be Christmas related crafting. And so I'm going to have the prompts listed in my description box. And for November 29th, next Friday, it will be Masterboard, Christmas Masterboard. That sounds like a lot of fun. I haven't made a Masterboard in a while, and I'm all into Christmas right now, so I can't wait. Just let me take a sip right now. I feel like I'm getting ready to cough. But, and then December 6th, tags, Christmas tags, and December 13th, Christmas clusters. I've been wanting to make some of those, so I'm so glad Susan did a lot of organizing on this, and she, it was her idea to do these things. So I'm so glad she suggested clusters. And then the last Friday will be December 20th, and it will be AT cards or AT coins, all Christmas related. So I can't wait to do all this Christmas crafting. I'm going to be doing Christmas crafting every day, but also these specific things on these days. This will all be listed in my description box. So, and our videos are going to be under 20 minutes, so you'll have time to visit all of us. So we wanted to take your time into consideration there, and it's only 3 of us, so I think it's going to be great. So today I wanted to do a little crafting here during this video, so it wasn't just reading off our new YouTube hop that's coming up. So I wanted to show you. I kind of showed you before that I was working with a KB&Friends digital kit. And I have these, I think we'll just decorate these 3 pockets here. I have a lot to do with this digital kit. It's the pocket, I think it's called Pocket Full of Christmas. It has recipe cards on it. And I'll link KB&Friends below this video too. But I wanted to go ahead and decorate these 3 pockets I made out of the things in that kit. Like the pockets, the little pockets come like this. This is how I made these pockets. These little front parts come like this in the kit, and then you can, then what I did was take the papers, you can see the gingerbread paper that I printed out, and I cut it into these tab shapes, which I got these shapes from the kit also, and from tags that were in the kit. I don't think I have, where are those? Oh, I have them in my ephemera stash now, my Christmas ephemera stash, I guess. Or I already used them. But anyway, I cut out more shapes with those tags, using those tags as a template that came with the kit, out of the papers that come with the kit. So these are the papers, all the different pattern papers. They're very cool. I printed them on lightweight cardstock, so they feel just like cards that cardstock scrapbook paper that you would get, in a scrapbook paper that you would buy that's cardstock and already printed for you. And you can see the colors are beautiful. And I just started off with that gingerbread one. I cut out these 2 and a green one that I liked a lot, this green stripe. And so I made these, and I had some of these pockets that I put on here. So I wanted to further decorate these pockets a little bit today. So I have all the bits and pieces cut out from this digital kit. I think I printed it all once, and I printed the recipe cards, I think, twice. So I'm not sure, but I think that's what I did. But I've got all kinds of cool stuff here. I think what I would like to do with these is just put a little something on the bottom part here to kind of finish it off, and then these will be ready to go into one of my journals. So like this has a lot of, I just picked this up because, well, looks like a little Christmas milk cap. I love that. Isn't it cute with a little holly on there, and it says pasteurized cream. So, and this has holly on it, so wouldn't this look cute right there? I think it would. I'm trying to think if I need anything else with it. I think everything else here is quite, you know, it wouldn't fit here on this. It would be too busy. But yeah, I like that there. So I think I'm going to put that there. And then there is a tag. I like to make a tag too. I wonder if I can make a tag. Anyway, let's go ahead. Maybe we'll put this spoon on here too. Why I'm saying I want to make a tag is because I'm dying to use this little spoon that came in the digital kit. I haven't used it yet, and I'm like, it was so cute. I thought, well, I have to use that soon. So I'm going to grab my glue, and then, okay, I got my glue. I had to go get it. I had taken it to work today, and left it in my bag, my little Crafty tote bag. Okay, I just put this down there, and I liked how it landed right there. That was so cute. So I'm going to put it just like that, right there. So this one, and I don't want this to take too much time because I need to keep it under 20 minutes, like I said. I hope I do it. If I don't do it, I'll have to try to do better next week. So, okay, I'm going to put the little spoon right here that I've been dying to use. And it's kind of going down into the pocket, but I think that's really cute. So I'm going to say that one's done, ready to be, I can glue it down into a journal now. Here's the back of it. That little pocket just wraps around, and then you glue it at the bottom, and there you go. One down. I thought I was going to need my paper cutter, but I don't think I'm going to be able to take that much time since I need to keep this under 20 minutes. So we've got gingerbread and then these patterns, so I can pretty much put anything on this one, and it'll be great. So let me see, without taking too much time to decide. I like this little pine cone. That is cute. This is a little bit, I mean, it would go over the top, so it wouldn't matter if it did go over the top, but I kind of don't want it to go over the top, so I'm going to leave the pine cone. How about this little piece? 'Tis the season. We'll just put that together right there and leave it at that. I mean, it's like you can't go wrong with this kit. Everything just goes together so cute and nice. And, you know, she has it where in the digital kit where you're supposed to make, you know, kind of like supposed to make certain things, but I'm just doing whatever I want with it. I'm not making the little pockets and little box and things that are pictured in the listing. I'm just doing my own thing. So, all right, so 'tis the season and a little pine cone. That's super cute, and that one's going to be done. Now, let's see what else we can pull out of here. We've got to eat, drink, and be merry. That'll fit on there. And what would go better with that other than a Santa mug? Isn't that adorable? Let's see how we can put this on here. I don't want to cover up. Maybe put it like this, because I don't want to cover up Santa. So I can kind of tuck it kind of like that. I just want to, let me see if I can put it up here and then put this down here. Yeah, I like that. That's cute. Eat, drink, and be merry. A little Santa mug with it. Okay, so this needs to go down first. All right, I'm going to see, there used to be a timer on my phone, but not anymore. You know how I think the last time I had a timer on my phone, I had another phone, a different phone. And I got a new phone, and this one doesn't have a timer on it. So I have a clock here, but did I look at it before I started the video? No, I did not. So I have no idea how long I've been on here, but hopefully I'm not doing too bad. But yeah, make sure you check out the others. And like I said, if you're not subscribed to Susan and Helen, you're going to love their channels. They do all sorts of crafty things, of course, and they're very talented. And so, yeah, you need to subscribe to them, definitely, so you can see what they do. But, yeah, go ahead and subscribe so you get their notifications. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to me too so you can get my notifications. But I'm going to call these done, ready to go into a journal. And aren't they adorable? And all the colors, of course, go together because it's a digital kit and that's how they make them to coordinate, right? But I can't wait to do some more with this kit. I have all these recipe cards that I would like to, like I could leave them as is, or I could add a little something. I can make things out of those papers I showed you. And I have these right here that I need to put at least put a ribbon in. These 4 little tags are with this kit. And this is how they are. I didn't decorate them or anything. This is just how they print out. And then I cut them out. And that's what they look like. So I want to put a little ribbon on here at least. And I probably wouldn't add anything to these two except for a ribbon. This one too, but maybe a little, I might add a little something to this one. So stay tuned for more work with this kit. I can't wait. And, you know, to make things with the papers, I can make more tags or journal cards or whatever. We'll see what I end up doing. And, oh, and I want to put little, you see how these have little holes? These are like little kind of tags. See, this one has a little, of course I can make that. I don't know if I made that or if it was like that, but anyway, I want to punch out these holes, add a bulb pin, and get these ready to be little dangles to hang on a paper clip in my journals. So lots of fun to be had here, and so stay tuned for that. And the YT Hop coming out next Friday with the Christmas Masterboard. I can't wait. See you then, and have a great weekend, and happy Thanksgiving, because I think the next video is after Thanksgiving. So have a great Thanksgiving, everyone, if you're in the U.S. And if you're not, just have a great week. And I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day.